Hey you guys, it's Amy Gretchen. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be working on the title page for my 2022 Project Life album. So I'm really excited to get this started and ready to go. And I'm going to be using a similar formula that I've used in the past, which is basically a photo of all of us, some journaling about, I guess, events that are up and coming from the year, like graduations or things like that. And then I will often put the year and then just have some cards. So I've actually pulled over some cards. I just kind of shopped my stash and I was looking at the photos. Sometimes I will do photos that are black and white, but this time I did color. And so I kind of tried to pull some colors that I thought would be good, and they were very like fall. And so I thought maybe this pink or some blues, yellows would work really well with these photos. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And let's just jump in and get started.